Welcome to Cyber Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll explore how you can unlock the true potential of your PC's hardware components, boost performance, and take your gaming experience to the next level. So, sit back, relax, and get ready for an in-depth journey into the art of overclocking. Overclocking is the process of pushing your hardware components, such as the CPU, GPU, and RAM, beyond their factory-set specifications. By increasing clock speeds and adjusting voltages, you can achieve higher performance, faster rendering times, and smoother gameplay. It's like giving your PC a performance upgrade without having to purchase new components. Now, let's delve deeper into the benefits of overclocking. First and foremost, overclocking can significantly enhance your gaming experience. With higher clock speeds, your CPU can process instructions more quickly, resulting in smoother frame rates, reduced input lag, and an overall more immersive gaming experience. Similarly, overclocking your GPU can boost graphics rendering, allowing you to enjoy stunning visuals and improved detail in your favorite games. Beyond gaming, overclocking can also benefit content creators and professionals who work with resource-intensive software. Tasks such as video rendering, 3D modeling, and simulations can be completed faster with overclocked hardware, saving you valuable time and improving productivity. Whether you're editing videos, creating complex visual effects, or running simulations, overclocking can provide a significant boost in performance. However, it's crucial to understand that overclocking comes with its share of risks. Pushing your hardware beyond its intended limits generates more heat and can put stress on the components. This increased heat can lead to instability, system crashes, or even hardware damage if not managed properly. That's why it's essential to follow safe overclocking practices and take the necessary precautions to protect your investment. Before you begin overclocking, it's important to do your research and understand your hardware's capabilities. Not all CPUs, GPUs, or RAM modules are created equal, and their overclocking potential may vary. Take the time to learn about your specific hardware's recommended voltage, temperature thresholds, and safe overclocking limits. Familiarize yourself with the BIOS or software utilities provided by your motherboard or graphics card manufacturer, as they often offer built-in overclocking features and options. Another crucial aspect of safe overclocking is cooling. The increased heat generated during overclocking requires effective cooling solutions to maintain stable temperatures. Investing in a high-quality CPU cooler or upgrading your system's airflow can go a long way in ensuring optimal thermal performance. Monitoring your temperatures using software utilities is also crucial to prevent overheating and potential damage. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about the different methods of overclocking. There are two primary approaches: manual overclocking and automatic overclocking. Manual overclocking involves manually adjusting the clock speeds, voltages, and other settings in the BIOS or software utilities. This method offers the most control but requires knowledge and experimentation. On the other hand, automatic overclocking features, such as Intel's Turbo Boost or AMD's Precision Boost, dynamically adjust clock speeds based on workload and temperature conditions. This approach is more beginner-friendly but may not provide the same level of customization as manual overclocking. Regardless of the method you choose, it's crucial to take a gradual approach to overclocking. Making small, incremental changes and testing the stability of your system after each adjustment is recommended. Stress testing tools like Prime95, IDA64, or Heaven Benchmark can help identify stability issues and allow you to adjust settings accordingly. Additionally, monitoring software such as MSI Afterburner or HW Monitor can provide real-time information on temperatures, clock speeds, and voltages. When it comes to overclocking, it's essential to strike a balance between performance and stability. Every PC's overclocking potential is unique, and achieving the highest clock speeds isn't always the goal. It's about finding a stable overclock that provides a significant performance boost while maintaining system reliability. Remember, patience and experimentation are key. In conclusion, PC hardware overclocking is an exhilarating journey that allows you to unlock the hidden potential of your components and maximize performance. By pushing your hardware beyond its factory-set specifications, you can achieve higher clock speeds, smoother gameplay, and faster rendering times. However, it's crucial to approach overclocking with caution, prioritize safety, and be aware of the potential risks involved. I hope this in-depth video has provided you with valuable insights into PC hardware overclocking and the importance of overclocking safety. If you found this content informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech and gaming related content. If you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, good luck and peace.